The Dumb and Dumberer DVD is packed with hidden Easter eggs. Let's check them out. Start by going to Sound and Screen. Navigate down, then right. This will highlight a broken egg. Press it and you'll see an outtake where a child wanders onto the set. Next, go to All Access Pass. Go to Lost and Found department and press right. This will highlight the big unsubtle egg. Press it and you'll get a behind the scenes footage where the characters discuss their costumes. Now, in the Lost and Found department, select Dumb. Then go down to Lost and Found and press left. Select it to watch behind the scenes footage of the pantomime horse scene. Now head to the second page of Dumb and select the second green egg. This one contains an outtake where Harry and Lloyd discuss what a DVD is. Apparently you can get it if you don't wash your hands. Now go to trailers. There's a huge Easter egg here. Go to All Access Pass and press right. You'll see an outtake featuring the film's assistant director. Now for something a bit mental. Go to Play Movie, then press right. A broken egg appears on the floor. Press it to reveal a big box of Easter eggs. Here's what you'll find inside. 1. Little Lloyd's screen test. 2. Behind the scenes footage of Lloyd dancing. 3. How the props team created the miniature school bus. 4. Behind the scenes of Harry using the jetpack. And finally, Harry and Lloyd discussing wedgies and the merits thereof. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving me a follow for more DVD Easter egg discoveries.